Today's video is about Home Assistant versus Node-RED. Choosing the right home automation tool can transform how you control your smart home without complicated setups. Home Assistant offers an all-in-one platform, while Node-RED provides flexible, flow-based automation. Home Assistant and Node-RED are popular automation tools, but serve different purposes. Home Assistant is a comprehensive smart home platform with built-in device management. Node-RED is a visual programming tool focused on creating custom automation flows through drag-and-drop nodes. Home Assistant is an open-source home automation platform designed to unify smart devices under one roof. It runs on local servers like Raspberry Pi or dedicated hardware, offering direct control without relying on cloud services. Home Assistant works by integrating thousands of devices and services through native support and community add-ons. Its strengths lie in its extensive device compatibility, user-friendly dashboards, and strong privacy focus. The platform supports automation with YAML configurations and a visual editor for simpler setups. However, it can have a steeper learning curve for beginners, especially when dealing with advanced configurations or custom components. Ideal users are smart home enthusiasts who want a centralized, secure system with native device support and are comfortable with some technical setup. Home Assistant suits those who prefer local control and deep customization over plug-and-play simplicity. Node-RED is a flow-based development tool for visual programming, designed to build custom automation workflows with a drag-and-drop interface. It runs on platforms like Raspberry Pi or any server, connecting devices and services through nodes representing inputs, outputs, and functions. Node-RED excels in flexibility, allowing users to create complex automations by wiring those together without writing traditional code. Its strengths include ease of use for non-programmers, integration with a wide range of APIs, and adaptability to various automation scenarios beyond just smart homes. However, Node-RED itself does not manage devices or provide a unified dashboard. It requires pairing with platforms like Home Assistant for full smart home control. It's ideal for users who want to design custom workflows or integrate diverse systems and APIs visually. Node-RED suits those who prefer a programming-like environment with minimal coding and maximum flexibility. Home Assistant and Node-RED complement different needs. Home Assistant offers an all-in-one solution with device management, native integrations, and a polished user interface, making it perfect for centralized smart home control. In contrast, Node-RED focuses on creating flexible custom automation flows with a visual editor, ideal for complex or unique workflows. For example, if you want a ready-use smart home hub with privacy and local control, Home Assistant is the better choice. But if your automation requires integrating unusual devices, APIs, or custom logic, Node-RED shines. Many users combine both using Home Assistant for device management and Node-RED for advanced automations. The trade-off is between Home Assistant's comprehensive platform and Node-RED's workflow flexibility without device management. Choose Home Assistant if you want a powerful, centralized smart home platform with native device support and privacy-focused local control. Opt for Node-RED if your priority is creating highly customizable automation workflows with a visual interface, especially when integrating diverse systems. For many, combining Home Assistant's device management with Node-RED's flexible automations offers the best of both worlds.